Hi all, welcome to Demystifying Markets. So this is for tomorrow's analysis. So if you see today what happened in Nifty, we also discussed in live trading session today. So perfect rejection from POC and perfect support what we have actually discussed in our channel so many times because 23,550 to 600 levels are key support. So Nifty got its support today and again 23,750 to 800 a clear rejection where Nifty got rejection today. So it's between a range between these two levels, but we obviously get to know from market profile these convictions and all will be there because it is giving you a data oriented and the data research. From there you are finding a fact which tells you very clearly this is a place of resistance, this is a place of support. So more than a traditional charts, a market profile will give you a lot of superb information like where the smart money enters and everything, who's the control of the current day, so whether the smart money or an intraday player or something like that. Every information is very very important in market profile and it will give you a lot of hidden information as well. So if you wish to learn the market profile in a very structured and organized manner and moreover in a very very practical manner, so market profile plus order flow training for January 11th 2025, so which is an English batch and weekend batch it is going to be. So we'll discuss a lot of things from the beginning of market profile till advanced level and supportive of order flow, and that gives you trade setups and trade facilitation. And along with that, so what can be what is the role of yours? You can be an intraday player or you can be a scalper. So the profile itself will tell you this is going to be an intraday setup, this is going to be a scalping opportunity, this is for long term, and this is for swing. So it will tell you very clearly. So that kind of information will provide. And to and fro there will be lot of communications in the Telegram group and will be assigning you homeworks as well. So for the first 5 members it is obviously 5,800 and the remaining of it, the early bird offer will not apply. So if you wish to learn, then kindly contact the WhatsApp number. So getting into the today's Nifty. So Nifty got its perfect rejection exactly on the yesterday's POC, which is a well-known resistance zone. So 23,750 to 800 clear rejection. And especially if you see this time what happened, the D period is a is having a clear OTF structure, C and D period, and as today's FMCG was very good actually today. So it was very supportive for Nifty to hold this level of 23,550 to 600, but still now the Nifty didn't break this level, but Bank Nifty has broken the level and of a key level, but Nifty didn't break this level yet. So it's a very very important close for tomorrow because it's a weekend close and weekly close. So for which we need to see whether this level is going to sustain or it is going to break, because Nifty Reliance wise it is on the same level. It is actually above this level of 1200, which is still providing a support. But Bank Nifty, especially today's fall, is because of Axis Bank. So Nifty, what happened? They have created a peacock and again a close above this level of 600. So if at all Nifty started to come on upside, then obviously the 23,750 to 800, which is a strong resistance zone for last 2 days, again it is going to be an important level of resistance, and above this level definitely the selling single print, which is in the level of 23,900 to 24,000, a clear resistance zone for Nifty. So this selling single print was created on the date of 6th of Jan, which is still in active. So this is going to be an important level of resistance. If at all Nifty started to come on downside, definitely the support we need to check 23,550 to 600, not yet broken. But after, if this level was broken, then obviously 23,350 to 400, as we discussed many times, it is an untested peacock, which we have seen before in our channel many times. So this is an untested peacock. So key level to watch here for Nifty. And today live meeting session also we have joined. So we have also seen the fall with the Bank Nifties and all. So Nifty, both resistance and support is very clear. So moving on to Reliance, actually sustaining about 1200, which is a very good thing to see, but still there is no big follow up. So Bank Nifty, and especially because of Axis Bank today, but yesterday we have discussed an ICICI Bank which has created a selling single print, right? So today what happened? It got a perfect rejection. So right from the beginning of the market, the selling single print. This and all will tell you very clearly what is to be added in your watch list for the next few days to see, because this is a kind of conviction, because the sellers are sitting there, so that is in my, if that stock is in my watch list, then definitely that could be an next day opportunity or the next week opportunity that will give you that will create a lot of conviction, and the it will give you trade facilitation as well. So ICICI Bank, yes, it got rejected, and this gives an idea for Bank Nifty also is getting a proper resistance. And along with that, what happened? Axis Bank today supported well for downside movement for a Bank Nifty as well. So for detailed analysis of Axis Bank, why it is actually falling, so what is the hidden information they kept, so everything we have discussed in detail in the members deep learn section as well. So every single day the profile learning will be shared there. If you want to learn very slowly the market profile, you can also join the membership deep learn section. So today we have discussed about the fall and what is the hidden information or the secret information 2 days before they placed before this fall. So today smart money, clearly it was evident, and the smart money along with a double confirmation of selling single print and IB extension on downside. So as a result, what happened? Bank Nifty also fall, especially in the C and D period, which is a big spike. In the last 30 minutes, if you see the 30 minutes of D period, especially what happened, almost 400 points or to 300 points, 300 to 400 points a single candle. So the resistance is very clear now. So 50,000 has converted into resistance, which Bank Nifty has took its support for a longer time. So even yesterday, Bank Nifty has come down, but the close happens above 50,000. But today, what happened? First time close below this 50,000, which is a key thing to watch for tomorrow, because it's a weekly close. So 50,000 has converted from support to resistance, and here onwards, the 50,000 is going to be an important level to watch for resistance for Bank Nifty. So Bank Nifty if started to come on upside, definitely 49,800 could be the first level of resistance, and 50,000 second level of resistance. And above this, definitely we do have lot of resistance, but 5,300 to 500 is a clear resistance. So on a downside, if you see what happens, if at all, if it continue to come on downside, definitely 49,400, because today market has taken support. So 49,400 levels could be a key level to watch for intraday support for tomorrow. And if this level breaks, then 49,000 is the potential support. So 49,000 to 4,900 is the potential support for Bank Nifty. But as of now, Bank Nifty still holding this level, which is a key level to see for tomorrow, and 50,000 converted into a resistance, which is a new thing. Nifty didn't break this level of 23,550, but whereas Bank Nifty broken the level and got its close also. But tomorrow it's going to be weekly close, so we have to be careful whether Bank Nifty is going to continue with this level of 50,000 as resistance, or again it is going trying to go upside. So with that note, kindly do your analysis before you take trade, because this is purely for education purpose. And if you really like the analysis, kindly do like, share and subscribe the channel. Thank you all for watching.